Well, hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Just wanted to do a super quick update for FX Master Gold. As you guys probably already know, FX Master Gold, they use a third-party broker, Absolute Markets. If you're going to get started, you do need to create an account with Absolute Markets, fund your account after doing KYC, which is pretty quick. And once you fund your account, you simply connect the FX Master Gold trading strategy to your third-party broker, to your broker, Absolute Market, and it's completely hands off at that point. So I'll show you how to do that. I've already shown that a couple times, but if this is your first video on FX Master Gold, I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's super duper easy. Of course, it goes without saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you're gonna get into this or anything I talk about, please do your own research. Please do your own due diligence. And if you're gonna get in, risk capital only, guys. Okay, funds you can afford to lose. Also, follow me on Telegram. I'll leave a link for that down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So, real quick, I'll show you my results so far. I've been in about 3 weeks. I've been testing this out. And it's so far it's been doing great. I think if I did my math correctly, and I think I did, for the last 3 weeks, I've averaged 12.66% per week. So some weeks are up, some weeks are down, but that's kind of what I've done. It's been about 38%. Actually, I did a little bit more than that, to be honest, but it's about I calculated 38% over the last 3 weeks. So that comes out to about 12.66% a week, give or take. Rough math, of course. Now, this particular platform, their goal is to do 15% a week. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean they're going to hit that every week because they have an 80% trading accuracy, which is still pretty high, but 15% a week is what they're aiming to do. Now, there is an 80-20 split. If you're familiar with, how these PAMs work, there's always going to be some type of split. Of course, 80-20 means that you are keeping 80% of your profit. They're going to take 20% as their fee, but it incentivizes them to help us grow our account, because the more they can help us grow and make gains for us, the more fee they can take, right? But 80-20 is, it's pretty reasonable considering that most PAMs are doing a 70-30 split. I know a lot of PAMs. I'm in a few right now that do a 70-30 split. So 80-20 is I'm okay with that. So again, FX Master Gold, what they're doing is they're trading the gold USD pair, which is the most lucrative pair in Forex by far. It's a copy trading strategy. Essentially, what you're doing is you're setting up your account, and then it's completely hands off. Whatever they do on their end, your account is going to mimic that. And again, it's completely hands off, completely passive. Okay. And there is support. If you go to their Telegram, you can plug into what they're doing. There is a support feature if you want to use that. But again, this is how simple it is, guys. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. First of all, you create your account over on Absolute Markets. I'll leave a link for that down below. This is the third-party broker. Someone asked me, can I use another broker? No, this is the broker that they've decided to partner with, so you have to use this broker. So it's really simple. You create your account. Again, KYC is, you take care of that. It takes a couple of minutes. Maybe, again, when I did it, it was super quick. That was 3 weeks ago. The platform has grown, so maybe it might take a little bit longer at this point, but not too much longer. They'll send you an email afterwards once you're, once you create your account and you connect it. By the way, I'll show you how to connect it. They will send you an email saying, "Hey, you're good to go. You're connected to the FX Master Gold strategy." Okay, so if you scroll down on this site, this is not the site, by the way, that you're going to join. You simply set up an Absolute Market account, but this gives you the breakdown of what to do. So again, you open an account with a trusted broker, leverage 1 to 500, verify your account. Okay, minimum deposit is 300, 600 or more is better. Then you send an email to technical@absolutemarkets.com. And then just copy and paste this. Please link my MT4 account number, enter your MT4 account number, which is your account number, to the FX Master Gold trading strategy, 25% profit sharing weekly, lot size by equity. And that's pretty much it. They're going to send you an email saying, "Hey, you're hooked up, you're good to go." And then it's completely hands off. Okay. So again, you can check all this stuff right here. This is I tested this out with $500. By the time I sent the $500 and it was a little bit less, it was like I don't even remember what it was, 494, something like that. And you can see my account. I've just kind of been letting it run and just kind of doing its thing. It's at 684 bucks right now, which equates to about 12.66% a week, 38% total, give or take. Of course, it's compounding, but it's not going to be that big of a deal because it's not like it's been compounding for weeks and weeks and weeks or months and months and months. Only been in for 3 weeks, give or take, maybe a little bit less than 3 weeks. So this thing is doing good. It's 12 points, and for me at least. Again, everybody's going to vary. Everybody's going to be different depending on when you get in. But for me at least, it's giving me about 12.66% per week. So now that I feel comfortable with it, I let it run and I've tested it out. Now I'm going to start to increase my position. Again, if you're going to get into this, understand that this is aggressive. 12.66% a week. Again, their goal is to do 15% a week, which is about 60% a month. Now, granted, they're going to take 20% of that, but still 80% of 60%, which is their target, that's still pretty aggressive. So again, if you're going to get into this, you better be able to tolerate risk, okay? And only put in what you can afford to lose, okay? It is risky. Best strategy is to get in, obviously withdraw your profits when you can. That way you pull out your initial capital, and then you just have house money in there. Now, it might take you a little bit of time depending on what you're doing with your account, whether you're referring, et cetera, et cetera. But if you can be in profit only and only have house money in here and you pulled out your seed capital, that is the very best position to be in, obviously. So yeah, just wanted to give you an update, give you some progress. Let me go show you some real data. Withdrawals are working. So again, if you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick update, give you a little bit of give you a little bit of data if you're looking at this and maybe you want to see if you want to test this out, dip your toe in, give you something of hopefully give you a little bit to ponder. And yeah, it is working. So again, I like to have platforms that are just paying me. I have several different platforms that are paying me on a daily basis. This looks like it's going to be another addition to the portfolio. Hopefully it'll be a long-term addition, but we'll see. So yeah, just quick update. Again, follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do your own research and risk capital only. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.